Hello dear traders, welcome back to InstaTV for another financial news release. Economic and political factors are pushing the euro down. The downward movement of the euro-dollar pair may continue this week. The euro is the weakest currency of the last trading session. Market participants were discouraged by a downbeat report on the eurozone's business activity, which hurt the single European currency. Traders assume that Europe is on the verge of recession. Today, Germany has released the IFO Business Sentiment Index, which was better than the forecast. In March, the indicator climbed to 99.6 against 98.5 in February. Analysts expected growth to 98.7. The indicator rose after a decline for 6 straight months. The European trade is unfolding quietly on Monday. The single European currency is trading flat. The euro-dollar pair is struggling for gains. However, the pair has not been able to climb above 1.1321 yet. Investors have been worried about the growth prospects after the ECB cut its forecasts earlier this month. Reports on PMIs prove that such concerns are justified. Donald Trump added oil to the fire. The US president reminded about the upcoming tariffs for cars. Given the fact that the Fed does not plan to raise interest rates this year, the ECB most probably will follow this course as well. The European regulator may decide to tighten monetary policy if the Fed does likewise. So the proper target for the euro-dollar pair is 1.10 mark. On Monday, Chicago Fed President Charles Evans said that the patient approach of the US Central Bank is sensible. He added that it was impossible to predict the next regulator's step due to high uncertainty in the world. The decision to raise or lower rates will be influenced by GDP and inflation. The euro has been weighed down by Brexit as well. The deadline for the UK's departure from the EU has been postponed for a maximum of 3 months, and the date will be determined later. This week, the UK has to decide whether to accept Theresa May's unpopular deal, tough no-deal Brexit, or the EU membership. Earlier, the British Parliament rejected all Brexit deals. In this context, Theresa May's deal will hardly be accepted by policymakers in the coming days. Moreover, the market awaits the British Prime Minister's resignation. Such developments are bearish for the pound sterling. Though it rebounded from the lows on Friday, the pound-dollar pair is facing downward risks. Today, the pair is trading lower in anticipation of the parliamentary vote on the deal. The pair opened the European trade at 1.3185. Most of the last week's new trends are expected to continue. The economic calendar is overloaded these days. However, these events will hardly change market sentiment. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.